Look at that. It's coming down like crazy. And they stream out, the people stream out. It's unbelievable. You can see here the enormous, the rain. Here you can see it. It's unbelievable to see. And they run, where they can, they run. Either go to the church or home, as it's not enough space in the church. You see how the masses are going. It's unbelievable. It came down suddenly. Here, rain in Medjugorje. Look at that. I follow them, that you can see the stream. Let's look around. You see it here. People rush out to a safe place. You can see how it goes. Look, they're screaming because it's so much rain. And you can see it here. Look at the street. Look at the street. Look at that. See the rain? This is unbelievable to see. Look at this. Here you can see extent of the water coming down. Coming from all the corners, coming down here as well. This is unbelievable to see. Look at that. Here they are, the people from the church coming, from St. James Church coming out.